Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Hampton-based ceiling fan remote suddenly stops working, don't panic. This is usually caused by a simple sync issue between the remote and the fan's receiver, and in most cases, it's easy to fix. When the remote loses connection, you'll notice the fan won't respond, the lights won't turn on or off, or the fan may work only sometimes. The first thing you should always check is the batteries. Weak or dead batteries are the most common reason Hampton Bay remotes stop working. Replace them with fresh ones and make sure the positive and negative ends are installed correctly. After that, press a button and look for the small red light on the remote. If there's no light, the remote itself may be faulty. If the red light is on, make sure you're standing within about 10 to 20 feet of the fan and that nothing is blocking the signal. If the fan still doesn't respond, it's time to resync the remote. Turn off power to the fan at the circuit breaker, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. You now have about 20 to 30 seconds to press and hold the power button on the remote until you hear a click or see the fan respond. Some Hampton Bay fans also use dip switches. If yours does, the switches inside the remote and the receiver must match exactly. If syncing still fails, the remote or receiver may need to be replaced.